Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys basically how you can join admin abuses in Grey Garden and what you'll need to prepare for it. I guess what you need to prepare for it is a lot of shekels because Janel restocks a lot of these items like sprinklers as well as seeds that are a little bit rarer to get. Also, every admin abuse is 1 hour before the update. So if you look update in 1 hour and 9 minutes, you're going to join the game 1 hour before the actual update. So once it hits like 1 hour left, you are going to join the game, or even just before that, just join the game. Like I'm just here waiting for the update. And yeah, that's pretty much it really. Again, just join an hour before the update, have a lot of shekels so you can restock a lot of the items. And yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.